After months of delay, the material for the renovation of the track at the G.C. Foster College of Physical Education and Sport are on site. And with the work set to get underway soon, the Intercollegiate Athletics Championship slated for next week has been moved to a new venue. As you'll hear in this report from Denise Walters, a team will be selected from the championships to represent Jamaica in the summer at the International University Sports FISU Championships in South America.
Renovation of the track at the G.C. Foster College in Spanish Town, St. Catherine should have gotten underway in January. However, 3 months later, the materials are just arriving. With the expected unavailability of the track after months of delay, the Athletics Championships are said to be hosted by Intercol will be at a venue identified in Kingston.
As it relates to Intercol for this year, the track here at GC Foster College needed some serious repairs, and fortunately for the track, the materials are here, and unfortunately for Intercol, the venue has to be changed. For this year, we have been scouting for a number of venues, and we have now zeroed in on using the Stadium East.
Paul Beckford, who is the president of Intercol, is also a vice principal at GC Foster College.
This Intercol that will be staged on the 16th of April is preparation for us, for a team to be going to Peru, Lima, Peru, from July 20 to August 1st, because the FISU Americas Championships will be held in Peru July 20 to August 3.
Beckford says come next year, there could be some changes to the schedule.
Looking back at what the World Relays do, like having the mixed relay, and that is something that we are looking into. As a matter of fact, there has been requests to have the meet going over 2 days, because based on what we are seeing, the numbers are growing, and as a result of that, now when the numbers grow, then the events will have to be over a 2-day period, and so we are looking into that. So hopefully come next year we should be going into a 2-day championship.
For now, the organizer of the one-day meet, despite thinking of expansion, has a similar cry to that of other track and field stakeholders.
Not only the logistics have been tweaked or have been disturbed, but our financial budget touched, significantly. So now we are really in the process of seeking sponsorship. I just want to encourage corporate Jamaica to come out to Stadium East on the 16th of April, support Intercol and any corporate business who you want to be a part of this organization. Come out and be a part.
The meet is scheduled to get underway on April 16 at 8 a.m. GC Foster College are the male and female defending champions. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.